ordering in a French cafe without panic, exactly what to say. If you freeze when it is your turn to order in French, watch this. This is exactly what happens in a French cafe, and it's exactly what you need to say. You only need a few sentences. You walk in, first thing you say is bonjour, always, even if you're nervous. What they say, the server might say, bonjour, vous désirez? What would you like? It's not complicated. It's predictable. What you say, je voudrais un café. That's it. Not a paragraph, not perfect grammar, just je voudrais, what you want. So a quick note about coffee types. One thing about coffee in France is that a café is a small espresso. So if you want some milk in it, you say un café crème, un café crème. That's a safe choice. You might also say un allongé, un allongé. That is an espresso with more water in it. But honestly, if you're unsure, just say je voudrais un café crème, and you'll be fine. Let's have a full mini role play. You walk in, bonjour. The server says bonjour. You say je voudrais un café crème. They bring you coffee. When you're done, you say l'addition s'il vous plaît. L'addition s'il vous plaît. That means the check, please. They bring the card machine, and you say par carte, pay with the card. Then merci. That's the entire interaction. Remove fear. Most people panic because they imagine a long conversation. They're afraid that they're going to say something to you and you don't know what it means. It's too long. It's just not manageable. But as long as you have the basic structures, you'll be fine. You're not going to France to impress anyone with your French. You are going to order coffee. So I do have a book out. It is called French for Travel, and we have the link below. And it has more expanded vocabulary and scenarios. It's a very simple book, but it is well worth taking with you. So I have the link below, as I said. If you're traveling soon, comment café below. In the next video, we're going to talk about exactly what happens in French when you enter a French hotel. All right, everybody, bon voyage. Bon voyage. Have a great trip. That is today's video, French for Travel.